Hey guys, what's going on? Welcome to another demo. So in this video, I'm going to demo this really cool origami emergency button designed by Shafer. And here it is. And to learn how to fold it, here's his tutorial in the card. And yeah, so check it out. It's an origami button, and you can put it down like this, and you can press it like that. Yeah, it helps to show you at an angle. So yep, it's like that. And what I also like about it is that you can actually make it look better by zoom in for this. You can stick one flap in the other like this. You can slide these in, and then it makes this a little bit smaller, which makes it look better. And then you can put it down, and I think it looks better that way. See? So yeah, isn't that cool? So yeah, that's pretty much it, and it's pretty easy to make. So yeah. Alright, hope you guys enjoyed this demo, and make sure you subscribe. And let me know what you think. Alright, bye bye.